If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, and today is a little bit different. Don't go away yet. Wait a minute. I'm the guy that talks about fountain pens, from low end to as high end as I can get, which is, limitations there. But today I'm going to talk about Grip 6. So what is Grip 6? Well, I can tell you this. It's made in the good old USA. And let me show you the backs of these boxes. Their boxes are pretty cool. I like that red look. I like the feel of them. The logo there they have going on there. So, these boxes and what's inside is what you're going to get when you order Grip 6. So what is Grip 6? Well, let me show you. Grip 6 is a belt. Not just any belt. The belt. The last belt you will ever buy. Because it's made to last. It's made to satisfy the customer. It's made to make you look good. So, guys and gals, moms and dads, mothers and fathers, it makes no difference. This belt is made for you to enjoy, to look good, to fit well. It will go with anything. Alright, so here is a regular belt. And this is the one that you have to loop it and put it in, and you loop it again in your belt. And hopefully you're done with the belt. So let's talk about Grip 6. Hey, I know you've heard it before. You've seen videos and videos on these. And, people having a good time. And remember that one little video from Grip 6, which I really like, where the guy's running through the woods or something. And he falls down and gets up. Well, his pants have fallen down because he couldn't hold them up. And you see him in his underwear. And I'm not sure if you saw him in his bare butt or not. Could have. Well, I was going to do that, but I may do that on the update. Yes, sir. What do I got to lose? Hey, I'm a man dedicated to fashion. Oh, so let's talk about, again, box recycle. Made USA. Keep it local, baby. Long live the USA, USA, USA. And let's do the Grip 6. Grip, 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 grip. All right, Grip, here we go, your turn. But before that, Grip 6 will give you the instructions. And they're going to thank you for purchasing a grip buckle. Now, they did send me the belt with that. You can order them with a buckle. How many colors? Shoo! They knocked it out of the park with a lifetime guarantee. Again, knocked it out of the park, baby. USA talking to you. If for some reason you need to return the belt or exchange it, the buckle, don't hesitate to contact us. So grip6 at grip6.com. Dot. Don't forget them little dots. Okay, you need some help. I know I did. Using your new belt, or find the video, you can. So here's how you're going to find the video. It's going to talk all about it. It's going to show you some neat stuff. And I'd rather let you hear it from the man than from me. Because these are the guys that put this together. These are the guys that demonstrate it. These are the guys that tell you the do's and the don'ts. And so you got to go USA, baby. If you live in the USA, buy USA. So here we go. Got your pencil, pen, crayon. Ready? I'm going to give you the address. And I want you to go to it. And I want you to check it out. And leave some comments below. For real. Be on the real side and leave some comments below. Okay? And it's going to be grip, 6.com / got that slash? Okay. Page, PAGES / how it works. Now we'll get you there. Again, you're going to see reviews on it, and that's great. And that's cool. And then you're going to see reviews that, well, from other makers, but we'll get to that in a minute. So we'll open it up. See how that belt looks good on his pants? It looks like he's wearing slacks. Well, they go with that. And then go with your suit, shorts, and girls, they will knock your eyes out, baby. You may look fine now, but when you put this belt on, you'll be the finest. The finest. That's right. Inside, it's going to show you the steps how to put the belt together. You will sit tall inside the buckle, but it's got everything. Okay, so I am going to open this up. I'm going to put this in. Let me see here. Here we go. Now we're going to talk about the belt. Nothing in there. Hello. 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 Okay. Here is the belt. What do you think about this belt, how it feels, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, that's different. It's a ribbed feeling.
Yeah, it's really good. And you know, you can hang this from a tree or whatever you want, and you can even hold on to it. Like I said, the instructions and stuff in the demos will all be at the site. So I don't know if it's 300 pounds or 600 pounds. I don't know. It's a lot. This belt is made to last. In fact, I've been wearing this belt, I don't know, months and months. Throw it on the floor, throw it on the ground, don't matter. So here it is. And here's the inside. All looking the same. And I want y'all to pay attention to that video if you go to it, because on that import, it's going to tell. Important. Very important. So let's look at this buckle. So we need to get a close-up shot. I did ask them if they could possibly put my emblem on this buckle. I like it. And I want to thank Grip6 for doing that for me. Grip6, it's on account of you that I'm doing this video, because you give me the opportunity to elaborate my feelings about this belt and buckle. So here it is. You get a good shot of it, let me know. Okay. And on the back of this, it says grip6.com. The emblem, and USA made. What do you think of it, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, it looks neat.
You know, it's totally cool. And you know, they have totally many designs on their site to make everybody happy. And they got the ones that are solid colors as well. And you can look, I made a video, I don't know, years and years ago on Grip 6. And I think they sent me one, but I bought 3 or 4, I think. I just can't remember all the colors, but that's going to be in my update on Grip 6. It's a cool buckle. Made for that well-dressed man. You got your meetings, church service man. You go into the Ovaltine office. Whatever it may be, it is cool because they'll make you the belt you want. You can pick out the color of the belts, the color of your buckles. It's up to you, guys, gals. It's what's going to make you look really sharp. It's going to make you stand out. What makes you stand out? Grip 6. That looking okay? Okay. So, as we put this down, let's show you another one. So we needed another design, and they looked what I was talking about, and they listened. Okay, now here's the black one, and the black goes with anything. I've had them in slacks, shorts, yellow, red, blue. I've had them in suit pants, trying them out, you name it. I had to put it on to make sure that I wasn't just talking noise. I had to be telling you guys the truth. This belt right here is the last belt you'll ever own, unless you want to buy some different colors of belts or different buckles. So let's look at this one next. So, deep in the heart of Texas, the great Longhorn, the great Texans, yay, Texas, yay, Texas. Am I Texan? I guess so. So, here it is. I'm going to get a nice close-up of this. Good enough? Real good. And that's what I got on this buckle. What do you think about it? Seriously, Mr. Announcer.
Oh, I like it. You may have trouble finding that one in a day or so.
He's going to steal them. Well, believe it or not, I may have Mr. Announcer wear it for a while. See, you know, it does. Because I look for wear and tear. Now, this is not going to come off. It's in a done by machine. So don't think it's just fly-by-night making, because it's not. Okay, here's the belt. Buckle in the belt and how it looks. And it's real easy to come on. Okay? So, what do you guys and gals think? Does it look worthy enough for you to wear? Sure. What do you think, Mr. Announcer? Does it look okay? Or?
Oh, yeah, it looks nice.
Okay. And, sit down here. All right. Here's that Texas belt. All right. Easy to fold, roll up, just like that. Just like you do a regular belt. If you need to be making this belt shorter, you can do that. You can cut it off, but you want to measure it a little bit, and then you want to get it lighter and just slightly burn it. You don't want to just go cuckoo when you burn it, just a slight touch will do it. But I'm telling you what, my friends, if you follow my instructions and go to the site, they're going to show you all the details you need to know about this belt. Or if you haven't already, and you're thinking about changing belt, buckle, or both, go to the website, Grip 6, and you're going to see all different kinds of different colored belts. They're going to talk about this metal, what it's made of. They're going to talk about this super duper belt that is made, I'm thinking nylon. And you're going to be surprised of how it feels in your hands, how it looks. Cameras don't do these things justice. And you're going to say, wow, that guy was right. And the gals are going to say, ooh, he was right. Why hear it from anybody else? Hear it from the horse's mouth. I'm going to leave it at that. God bless you, everybody. And remember, Texas loves you. Love it back. Love these beautiful belt and buckles from Mr. Announcer's call.
Grip 6.
Grip 6, baby. That's it. Yahoo. We're out of here, baby. Later.